What if I told you the difference between a normal video and a viral one is not your content? It's your editing style. And today, I'm going to show you how to build that style from scratch, even if you've never edited before. Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to go from a beginner editor to someone who can create professional cinematic edits. Using just CapCut on mobile or PC, we'll cover everything. Finding high-quality resources, using transitions and animations properly, understanding editing psychology, and building your OWN editing style. So don't skip, because every second matters. For editing, you need structure. Split your footage into two parts. A-roll, main content like talking or storytelling. B-roll, supporting visuals like stock clips or overlays. This one habit alone can make you 2 times faster. Instead of random low-quality clips, use Mixkit or Videvo. If you want premium content, Storyblocks is a paid option. Always check license. Free use, credit required, not for monetization. Here's a trick. Find a premium clip, copy its title. Search it in Canva. Download a similar version. But remember, never upload raw clips. Always add voiceover text, effects. Think of layers like stacking papers. Top layer equals visible, bottom layer equals hidden. Master this, and your editing becomes powerful. Blend modes help you create glow effects, light overlays, cinematic visuals. Try different modes. Sometimes unexpected results look amazing. Keyframes equal movement control. Example: start, logo center, end, logo corner. CapCut animates it automatically. Rule: close keyframes equal fast, far keyframes equal slow. This is how pros create smooth animations. Just brightness, contrast, saturation. Use HSL for advanced control. Never over-edit skin tones. Masking lets you reveal specific areas or create transitions. This is how cinematic edits are made. Use bold fonts, glow effects, motion animations. Text equals engagement booster. CapCut can remove backgrounds or use green screen. This helps you create pro-level visuals easily. Use camera tracking or vibration effects. This makes your video feel alive. Don't think, how fast can I edit? Think, what should appear at this moment? Even 2 seconds can take hours. That's how you grow. Style equals repeated patterns. Examples: clean, minimal, motion heavy, cinematic. Watch others, mix ideas, experiment. If you learned something new today, hit like, share it, and subscribe, because this is just the beginning.